hearing noises out there. So if this tape is found, and I'm not, or part of my body is, I blame the chupacabra.
This shit just quit on him. Where's these ones you just bought, the key brackets?
Oh, the chocks there in the back of the Ginz. Alright guys, here's the fun part with YouTube. The trailer's not done, still working on it, but I just have to button up a couple things and I can do that tonight. Right now, I'm going to get on the bobber because I'm going to miss it for a few days and get my butt to work. But the fun part with YouTube is you don't have to wait. Here you go. Home from work, like I said, seconds for you, 10 hours for me. Well, right now we're going to get cleaning off the trailer and putting the tools away, putting the last couple pieces together, and then this trailer will be ready to go. So, of course the garage is full. I gotta back out Bombshell's bike, my bike, move the trailer forward. The way I have it set up is I have like my workstation there, a bunch of random shit there, because this garage is not built for like storage. And then the Mustang gets its own private spot. So let's get after it. Now I'm hearing noises out there. So if this tape is found, and I'm not, or part of my body is, I blame the chupacabra. I'm gonna leave it that serious too. I believe. If you don't believe, that's when you strike. It's probably a fucking town cat. Also, I got bit by something today when I was working on this damn trailer. Alright. Ready? Clean. Trailer's done. Seconds for you guys. A whole day project with me with work and everything. But let's go over the trailer real quick. Talk about this. So we have plans to add a box up here. It's a used trailer that me and my dad got to bring it home and everything else. So we did a couple things to make it safe for the trip. Like back here we have new running lights and everything else. Got it registered. You know, gotta be legal. We had to replace one of the pins over here. All that fun stuff. We added the wheel chocks today. We have the spare tire mount right here. I'm gonna carry 2 spare tires just in case. Now, yeah, you can probably see it from there. Spare tire's not brand new, but these are. Those are brand new. We greased up the bearings and all this stuff today. Got here, got the mounts done. You know, make sure it's safe and ready to go. So tomorrow, we'll get the bikes loaded up, get all that fun stuff going. I'll take the trailer over to my dad's to grab his Harley. We'll get it on there with new straps. And I don't know about you guys, But I get super weird about people stealing the fucking bike. If you haven't seen Meatball's video, you can go see some of that frustration over there. I'd recommend, NC-17 for that video. Just kidding, kind of. You guys watch my videos. I don't think that video will bug you at all. But he had some shit happen to his bikes, and it's not cool. He's got some really nice bikes, and for people to come through and fuck with him is just ridiculous. So going on this trip, not having my bike, and also so I haven't to worry about my dad's baby, makes me a little bit more nervous. We'll have Bombshell's Vulcan and his bike. If something happens to Vulcan, it's on me and Bombshell. If something happens to Harley, it's also on us, but it's not ours. It's just one of those things. So for me, I'm gonna lock the shit out of this thing. Lock the trailer to the truck, lock the bikes to the trailer, set the alarms, all the fun stuff. Yeah, fun stuff. But I'll carry the spares in the truck. Tomorrow we'll probably go over more stuff that's gonna go on with the truck, tool bag, stuff like that. Go over the checklist and make sure everything's good to go and get it on. Granted, for you guys, that video will be coming out. I don't know. It might come out later today, depending on how the video is, or Friday. We'll see how it goes, because we got a lot of stuff going on tomorrow, and we got a long way to go in a short time to get there. But we're gonna do what they say can't be done. I'm just kidding. It can totally be done. The truck can go 500 miles at a time without getting fuel, unlike the bobber. A little sassy bike. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some shut-eye. Actually, let's be honest. I'm gonna go upstairs, I'm gonna edit this video, and I'm gonna post it. So I got another couple hours of editing and get that going, then go to sleep, then go see my dad, make sure everything's ready, then take a nap, wait for Bombshell to get off work, and hit the road. Which I'll probably throw a live video up of us hitting the road, like somewhere on the road. As long as there's Wi-Fi, I can post. Alright, you guys. Stay safe, stay classy, and I'll see you in the morning.